Bonjour et bienvenue à Francophile. Je m'appelle Shamika. Today we are diving into one of the most interesting and most used pronouns in French, le pronom on. It looks simple but it has many uses and it makes your French sound natural and native-like. So let's break it down in the easiest way possible. So what does exactly le pronom on mean? On is a subject pronoun just like je, tu, il, elle, but it is special because it can mean many things depending on the context. So on means we in informal way. In spoken French, on is the most common way to say we. For example, on va au cinéma. On va au cinéma. Shall we go to the cinema? On est content. On est content. We are happy. On commence. On commence. Shall we start? Even though on means we, to conjugate that, we use the third person singular, that is il and elle. For example, on parle, on aime, on mange. And it's never on mangeons. It is always on mange. So, on also means someone or people or they in general. It is often used to talk about people in general. En France, on mange beaucoup de fromage. En France, on mange beaucoup de fromage. In France, people eat a lot of cheese. On dit que. On dit que. People say that. On ne sait jamais. On ne sait jamais. They never know. This on is impersonal. On also means one, formal or general. On doit respecter les règles. On doit respecter les règles. One must respect the rules. On apprend tous les jours. On apprend tous les jours. One must learn every day. You won't use this very often while speaking, but you will see this in writing. Another meaning of on is everyone or all of us. On est tout prêt. On est tout prêt. We all are ready. On a gagné. On a gagné. We won. Even if you are many people, the verb is singular. Now, here is one tricky part. The verb stays singular, but the adjective becomes plural when the meaning is plural. For example, if there is a group and there are all girls in that group, and if we want to say they are all happy or we are all happy, we will be saying on est content. On est content. The verb is singular, but the adjective content is feminine plural because the adjective agrees to the gender and the number. Let's see some common expressions using on. On y va. On y va. Shall we go? On se retrouve où? On se retrouve où? Where do we meet? On fait quoi demain? On fait quoi demain? What are we going to do tomorrow? On verra. On verra. We'll see. These expressions make your French sound more natural. So remember, on means we, people or they, someone, one, everyone, and it depends on the context. Verb always stays singular and adjectives change according to the number and the gender. Start using on more and it makes your French sound natural. If this helped you, share this with your French learning friends and I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt!